In this video, I'm going to show you what categories are in Read and Sign, why they're so useful, and exactly how you can start creating your own. So let's jump straight into it. So firstly, what are categories? Categories are another way of creating distribution lists based on a topic or a subject. They determine who receives what information and also who is able to author what information. For example, as you can see here in the Groups tab, I've set up some groups for our example company AB Limited. It has different departments, functions and locations, but I want to reach all production employees from all locations at the same time. And I also want the production manager to be able to author new content for the entire team. So let's take a look at how we can do that. To start, go to the Categories tab and click Create. And then give it a name, so for us that's AB Limited Production. And then you want to give it a code. A code is part of a longer reference for all notices you send in the future. They follow the format of category, subcategory, year, and then a number. The number at the end indicates the notice's order in a sequence. For example, the first notice you send under a new category would be number 1, the next number 2, and so on. So for our category code, I'll put PD for production. Give your category a quick description. And then you have a couple of additional options. Firstly, you can allow notices to be forwarded. By default, notices sent under a category will only be viewable by the recipients within it. However, if forwarding is enabled, you can forward the notice on to other users. Next, you can turn on auto acknowledgements. This is for any category you deem to be less sensitive and automatically acknowledges any notice when a user opens it. Lastly, you can manually set a sequence number. If you currently have a referencing process where you keep track of documents, you can enter a number in this field to continue where you left off. If not, leave it blank and it will begin a new sequence. Then click Submit and you've now created a category. Next, click the people icon to add users and authors to a category. To add an author, make sure both the users and authors buttons are selected. Then using the list, select an author and click Assign. Next, click Default Distribution to determine who should receive information from this category. You can add groups and users. So for our example, I want all production groups from AB Limited. Then click Assign and then Finish. And now your category is complete. So if you open a new notice, you'll now see that your category is available, and when selected, it will automatically fill the correct recipients. And that's it. Now you know how to create categories in Read and Sign. And if you did find the video useful, head to our YouTube channel and check out all of our other videos there. And if you want to learn more about Read and Sign, head to our website, which is keyzo.co.uk.